Hey, this is Christopher, and I wanted to give you a heads up about a new set of tools that I'm building. And I'm building these tools based upon a lot of feedback. I notice a lot of traders will have the discipline to trade certain setups, but then it seems like they overtrade a bit and get caught up in choppy conditions or in conditions where the market really doesn't have any momentum. So I've decided to build a set of momentum trading tools, and let's just talk about what momentum is and how we find it in the market. Momentum are areas where we have trade speed pick up. So the rate of order flow coming into the order book starts to pick up and build speed. That's a very frequent or common denominator you see in a lot of momentum moves. Another thing that you see in momentum too is very linear price action. So as you can see here on the chart, pre-market, the vertical line is the 830 US session open. This is the TF contract or the Russell 2000. There was a lot of upside momentum. So leading up to the market and then through the market open, there was a little bit of a pause. The opening burble takes place. And as you can see, momentum or following the prior move starts to play out. So momentum, I look for linear price movement leading up to trade setups. I look for trade speed to start picking up. I look for a lack of resistance, whether the market's getting bought and the market's having a really nice vertical upside rally. I look for a lack of selling into it, meaning a lack of dojis or counter candlesticks, and just the same when I'm tracking a market that's selling off. So the key is anytime we're tracking and going after momentum, the momentum tools, in my opinion, need to do a few things. They need to be very visually simplistic and very visually clear in showing traders so they can see the difference between what is linear momentum and then what is chop. So what I'm doing is I'm building a completely brand new style of candlestick that I'm going to call, or basically they're going to be trend quality bars. The bars are going to help you visually see the difference between good trend quality and chop trend quality. So good trend quality is a lot of very vertical bars that are continued in a row of a vibrant color, whether it be lime or red, something that you can really see well on your chart. And then areas where there's lots of dojis or indifference bars, the areas will be very obvious to see. Now, what I'm trading here, what you're watching here is just basically was an early rough draft of what I created to start working with a programmer to help me build exactly what I wanted. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be releasing some very new cutting edge momentum trading tools for the NinjaTrader 7 and 8 platform coming up here in the middle to end part of September. Then, most likely getting into October, I'll probably add the tools to multicharts.net and maybe even one other platform. So I'm going to create the tools. Well, they're already built for NinjaTrader 7 and 8. I'm just doing final revisions, but I'm going to expand them onto a few other platforms. And they're going to be set up for traders that trade both futures and Forex. So the key is working higher pivot lows in rallies, lower pivot highs in sell-offs, and getting into periods where there's growing, building, or accelerating momentum. That is what the new trading tools are going to be designed to target. The other thing that's going to be unique, there's going to be a unique set of 3 audible tones that are combined with the new style of bars that I'm building. Also, the bars are going to have a shadow effect. So you can turn on and you can see all the dojis and all the wicks, or you can shadow them out and just see the main bodies of the candlesticks in a variety of colors. So vibrant colors will mean there's lots of momentum. Subdued colors will mean we're having periods of indifference in price or a lack of momentum. And then the audible tones, when there's very strong momentum, you'll hear the same audible tone bar close after bar close. And then when there's indifference, the bar tones will change. And then when there's counter moves to the original move, there'll be a different sound. Not only will you get used to a new visual approach to trading, but you'll also get used to hearing audible tone patterns as the bars are forming that you probably never heard before, or you've never approached trading from an audible standpoint, other than maybe having an audible tone at the close of a signal generating type system. The new momentum tools, if you want to pay attention to what we're doing, you can always contact me at info@futurestrading.academy. And you can always follow what's happening with the new momentum tools once they're released at www.futurestrading.academy. So if you want more details on what I'm building with the new momentum tools, just check out my new website at www.futurestrading.academy. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.